Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to add a pop-up on your Hostinger website. First, log into your Hostinger account, then on the left panel, go to your websites section. Here, click on the edit website beside the one you want to work with. And now, you will be brought to your website editor where you can add your pop-up. Now in adding a pop-up, we will use a third-party site. So in your browser, go to elfsite.com and log in or create an account. Once done, click on Widgets. Then, under e-commerce, choose on Pop-up. Here, go and create a widget for free. Now, just select a template that you want, then continue with it. Here, you can go and customize it to your liking, like changing the background color and also replacing the image with your own. So just go and upload a file for it. Then select the one that you want for your pop-up widget to appear. Here you can also change its layout however you want. Going back, you can also change the header of it and also the text content of that pop-up. You can also add a coupon and a button if you want. Now just go and add it to your website for free. Now in here, you can add an element, then choose from these options that you can use for your pop-up. Going back, you can also go to your pop-up settings, so you can change its frequency to choose how often to display the pop-up to your website. You can also go and change where to apply that pop-up on your website pages. Then for the trigger, you can select one based on what you need, like on exit intent. Once done, just click on the publish button at the top right. Here, you can select the free plan to proceed. Now, it's time to embed it, so just go and copy your embed code. Then, go back to hosting our website builder. Go to more options on the left panel and go to your integration section. Now select custom code, then paste in the embed code you copied and click on save. Now your pop-up will appear to your website. For another option, you can go back to your website builder and here click elements on the left panel. Select embed code and drag it to one section. Now enter your code and just paste it in inside the code bracket, the one from ElfSite, and click embed. Now you will see your pop-up appear. It might look off because this is just a preview, but once you go live with your website, your pop-up will show just how you like it to be. But that's just basically it. That's how you add a pop-up to your Hostinger website. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.